You will learn how to add a video that you have already published on your Facebook to a playlist in easy steps. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. Visit business.facebook.com and log into your Facebook account or page. Alright, here am I on my business profile. Okay, that's showing my page. I'm on my Facebook page right now. You can see the number of followers I have, and it's connected to Instagram that has this number of followers. The next step you need to take is to click on content. On clicking on content, you see the number of videos, some recent videos you just published. Then click on playlists. On clicking on playlists, you will see some of the playlists you recently interacted with. What I mean by that is you recently uploaded videos on. If you want to see all your playlists, click on see all playlists. Okay, it will be listed. But I want to work with this iPhone tutorial. I'll click on it. On clicking on that, you will see some videos that you have existing on the playlist already. Click on this add reels. On clicking on add reels, you will see this search by ID or captions. I don't have the ID of the video I want to add, so I want to search by a keyword. So I'll click here and type iPhone because this is iPhone tutorials playlist. So it will list some videos where I mention a playlist. If maybe you have the name, the exact name or title of the video, please type it in inside the search area. All right, just I have done. So let's say I want to add this video to the playlist. I'll click on this video for it to be selected. If I want to add more than one, I will click on another one and then click on save. All right, so these two videos now have been added into this playlist. It's as simple as that. If this video helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.